Hi everyone, Arpita here. I believe that learning happens on everyday basis for everyone. As a family, we are exploring different options of learning for Kiara and us. We decided to visit Aarohi Life Education Trust campus for a week to experience and understand their take on open learning. Today I am sharing what Kiara has done over a week at Aarohi. Let's get into it. Will you be able to carry it or you want me to carry for you?
We'll see.
Okay. Huh. Oh.
Hello.
How was your bath?
It was heck.
Why?
So cold. Then it was fine.
It was fine, right?
Yes, yeah. I'm keeping all the yesterday's used clothes here.
Where are you going, Kiki?
Oh, Ambrosia, the kitchen.
Food was simple and healthy. Kiara is used to eating similar food at home. Cleaning our plates is the same habit at home too. Everyone has different responsibilities to handle. She was doing part of cleaning up after meals. The remaining time of the day, she could decide what she likes to do. She did a painting on a glass jar for that day. The next day, she prepared aam panna for everyone, teaming up with Arisht. In the evening, a skit was planned in an hour by selected team members. Here was Kiki's team performing.
Someone help! Someone fell down. Help! What happened? An old man fell down. Will you also go help? Oh, hello. We'll help you. Nobody will help you.
But it is Sunday. Let us call to the ambulance. Call. You are having a phone, right? Make a call.
Hello?
Okay. You call your contact. If you can call.
Hello, doctor.
But no ambulance.
Okay, carry him.
Come.
What happened? What happened? What? What is it? Why?
Let him carry to the ambulance. Hello. Okay, call.
Yes,
Come down.
I go down.
Please help. Doctor, please help. Even if it is Sunday, please help us too.
Today holiday, but I can check.
Yeah. Please check if he is fine. Oh, hello. We need to inform his house. We need to inform his address.
What happened? I don't know. Doctor, this all. What is people random to hospital?
Yeah.
What happened?
He has
We
fallen
don't know
down.
if he was. When we went, he was fallen down in the ground.
We are seeing him lying on the field, so if you can on the road.
Blood.
Any other thing? Nothing more? No, able to speak?
Yeah.
Okay. Any reasons for that?
No. I'm very tired. I want to sleep now.
I will do the first thing.
She made friends and they did bedtime routines together.
What is it? You doing? What are you doing?
Suspicious looking rodent. That morning was just like any other morning. I shuffled to the window to check the weather. The forecast is for rain. Computer area. Oh yeah. Mega glue. What is the number? It's 5, right?
Happy birthday.
Yeah, sure.
On day 4, her interest was on carpentry and craft workshop that I did for everyone there. Vicky, what are you working on?
I made a knife. I'm just making it smoother.
Okay. What is that in your hand, other thing?
Sandpaper.
Oh.
For making it smoother. Or shaping it.
Okay.
This was a bit like pointed, so I made it into this. Next, I have to scrub it with oil and paint it. This is sketch pen. So, someone who is here working here told me not to keep it. So, I have to keep oil and then paint on.
Okay. Help you wait if you like it. See, now you decide the length of the In campus care, her responsibility was to clean the toilet. She was doing all of those for the first time. Day 5 was the last and outing day for everyone. We set the beddings as given to us on the day 1. Then came rock climbing, cooking with simple ingredients, and we must generate the fire with sticks and rocks available around the place.
Don't touch me with your tongue. Okay. It's too rough.
Everyone cooled themselves with a swim inside the pond.
I hope you enjoyed watching my experience with Aarohi.
We will be sharing more of her everyday learnings from now on. So subscribe to our channel. We will see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.